Hi, I'm Shah from BigPOS, and today I'm going to show you 5 simple steps to start your business with BigPOS point of sale solutions. So now I'm going to take you to the process of creating your first BigPOS account, creating products, making your first sales, and check your back-end reports.
BigPOS was developed on both Android and iOS devices.
In the registration window, you are required to fill in your details at secure.bigpos.net, and then you will receive an activation email. After you receive an activation email, you can click the Verify button that will direct you to the back-end office. So the first thing you need to do here is to add your items in the product management module. Assuming your customer wants to order French fries, then you can click the French fries, insert quantity, and then add to the cart. You can select Pay and choose your payment method. Now the final step is to view sales report at the back end office. You can also view transaction details in the transaction page. I hope you are able to run your business smoothly. Till then, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our customer support team. Thank you for watching. Bye!